Welcome to Bitcoin Climate. Jay here with you guys today. This is where we analyze Bitcoin's latest performance. This is not official financial advice. Immediately we get into the content, guys. The fear and greed index. As we see here, we're currently at 60. We're yellowish heading into green and, in greed right now. Yesterday was greed at 56 as well. Last week was neutral, but the price has been going up. As we can see, there's been a reflection of the market sentiment, keeping up pace with the price action as well, just making new local highs, guys, even above the previous 60 in March of 2022. Here we breached it just over with one over at 61, guys. So the sentiment is turning bullish. We're currently at 60 at greed. So, it's pretty interesting. We're going to actually go ahead and analyze Bitcoin's current price to see why that sentiment is so bullish. As we can see, we also made new local highs here with the current price action, reaching a price of $24,246. Guys, right under that $25,171 key resistance level that we've been talking about, what it seems for weeks now, for months, basically since the year started, and we had this first pump here, for the next couple of weeks, we've been talking about those key next resistance levels. And in this case, it seems that $25,000 level is the one that we've been talking about, that most likely, based on probabilities, it's likely that Bitcoin is going to reach that in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks as a maximum. Guys, we do see that the indicators continue to make new lower lows and new lower highs as well. So when you combine that with price action making new higher highs and higher lows as well, you see the clear divergence on the daily. So if we ever do get a pullback in that sense, it might happen most likely after we reach 25K, or we might even continue above that level. We have to wait and see. But then the support continues to be that $22,675 level currently after this consolidation period. And also below that is that 21.5K as well. Just key support levels to keep in mind as we navigate Bitcoin's price action. On the weekly, we do see that, again, every candle represents a week of price action. Candles have been the candle bodies have been getting way smaller, guys, way smaller. We do see a considerable buy wick here. A lot of people buying that pressure, that moving up the price, that buy pressure, as we can see here. So that's a positive sign for this week. The candle hasn't closed yet, but again, candles are getting way smaller, heading into resistance. Usually that's not too good of a sign. So again, that $25,000 level is that resistance that we're keeping an eye on the daily, on the weekly as well. Again, after breaking this descending channel, we've had this impulsive move towards the upside. So we're just keeping our eyes out on Bitcoin's price, and on the weekly, nothing looking too shabby, in the sense that still a green candle, hasn't closed, but a lot of bullishness. We've had a bullish month for January, and now we'll have to see in the next couple of weeks how February is going to continue to react, guys. And with regards to Bitcoin's dominance, over the markets and altcoins, we've had this massive move here, above the current support of 44%. Right now, with this current candle, we're battling that support. We're trying to retest it to see if it's going to hold, so things are not looking too nice in that sense. But that means that altcoins are holding strong against Bitcoin, with today's candle. So that's a good sign for people that are invested into altcoins. But overall, a lot of bullishness, for Bitcoin's dominance over the market, just staying strong with regards to other altcoins. Guys, if you enjoy this type of informative content, don't forget to like this video. It helps the algorithm and other people find our channel, so they can stay informed and educate themselves as well. And they can also, you guys can educate, yourselves with our free educational playlist. The link is in the description down below. You can click it, get a pen or a pencil with a piece of paper, a notebook, and that's it. Dig in. We have presentations here, educational presentations for free. So make sure you guys check that out, guys. With regards to Bitcoin's performance, in the last 24 hours, we see a 3.56% increase. And for the last 7 days as well, similar increase with 3.39% at a price of $23,824. And digging in a little bit, we do see that the market cap is up 3.57% as well, around that $460 billion. And with regards to volume, up 54, almost 55% in the last 24 hours, up to $35 billion as well. So a lot of movement for Bitcoin. Price has been going up. Volume has been increasing as well. And good times. Bitcoin is bullish. So, great time to be alive. Guys, if you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content. And we have our website over here, link in the description down below. Great tools and resources for you guys as well. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your attention, and for your support. And I hope you guys have a good one.